This is Matt with Diamond Cargo Wholesale. This is an 8.5 by 24 blackout edition in white. The guys here in the fab shop just finished this one up. One of our customers wanted to add an electrical package to it, and so we took this blackout edition here, and we took it and we brought it into the fab shop here. This one's got black ATP corners on it, and of course the black ATP stone guard, ATP going up the V, running into your trim up here, ATP corner here, black alloy vent. It's just a nice contrast. That black accenting the white, it's just a nice combination. Again, we can do any color like this. Just wanted to give you guys a bunch of options to choose from. So now we got your blue, your red, your tan. Of course, we got the black, and now we got the white to add to it, as some of our colors that we can black out. We got some more on the way, but this right here is your 8.5 by 24 blackout in white. So what we did was the guys brought it in. We added the electrical package to this. So we got your 30-amp panel box here. Got your 4-foot fluorescent light here. Up here close to the V-nose. Added a receptacle there on the wall. He come down and added a receptacle here, and pretty much completed his electrical package. Was done in a couple of hours. Again, all you got to do is call me. We got these trailers in stock, or we try to keep them in stock, and if there's something you want to add, we can bring it into the fab shop and add it. Y'all, this is Matt. Call me anytime, 478-308-1559. Thank you.